Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on image classification with PyTorch. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. Perhaps the most groundbreaking advances in machine learning recently have come from applying machine learning to classification problems. In this course, you will gain the ability to design and implement image classification using PyTorch, which is fast emerging as a popular choice for building deep learning models, owing to its flexibility, ease of use, and built-in support for optimized hardware such as GPUs. First, you will learn how images can be represented as 4-dimensional tensors, and then pre-processed to get the best out of ML algorithms. Next, you will discover how to implement image classification using dense neural networks. You will then understand and overcome the associated pitfalls using convolutional neural networks. Finally, you will round out the course by understanding and using the most powerful and popular CNN architectures such as VGG, AlexNet, DenseNet, and so on, and leveraging PyTorch's support for transfer learning. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to design and implement efficient and powerful image classification solutions using a range of neural network architectures in PyTorch.